and welcome. Thanks for checking out our product review. Now, before we begin, let me ask you a question. Are you struggling to create an online income? Well, if you're interested in having one of our internet marketing coaches help you build your online business to get your monthly income to $10,000 a month, click the first link in the description below. For a limited time, we've opened a few slots for new members. Now, back to the review. You can grab the product through the second link in the description below at any time during this video. And upon your purchase, you're going to receive these 4 exclusive bonuses. Bonus 1, we'll show you how to flood your offers with free traffic. Bonus 2, we'll show you how to master the art of ranking all your videos on YouTube. Bonus 3, learn how to create a significant income by becoming a middleman on one of the top freelancer sites. And bonus 4, discover how to get 250,000 new subscribers every week. We have several more bonuses that you'll find in the description below. These bonuses will be automatically delivered instantly via Warrior Plus or JVZoo as soon as you grab the product. I've also included access to our #1 recommendation for becoming an expert in creating an online income with the help of our AI tools. And you can get started for free. You can get access in the description below. Now, let's get back to the review.
Hey guys, I'm Katie with First Look Reviews, and I am very excited about what I'm going to share with you today. Centralizze is a Brazilian company that has programmed an amazing software that is remarkably powerful and does some really cool things. If you run Google or Facebook ads as part of your affiliate marketing campaign, you really need to do yourself a favor and look into this software, especially if you have difficulties designing your own sales pages. First, let's take a look at their sales page. Okay, here's the Centralizze sales page. Own your own affiliate structure, simple and easy to use. A structure is just how your website pages work together and the hierarchy of links and those things. All right, let's scroll down here. You can check out that video. Affiliates love Centralizze. Here's why. So there's some really good points in here I want to go over. You can have your own structure without the need to register a domain. That is true. You do not need your own domain to use this very powerful software. However, you can use your own domain if you want to. Advertise on Google AdWords without fear. No more links blocked by Facebook. This software allows you to circumvent all of the problems that come from using the same domain as loads of other affiliates promoting the same offer as you. And then this one right here, start using your framework in less than 3 minutes. Here, your page is ready. This program really is fast. And if you don't believe me, you can check out a couple of the tutorials I did. It is speedy quick. All right, let's scroll down to the pricing. So here's the pricing plan. I'm not going to read it all to you because you can come on and read it yourself. But it is really affordable and reasonably priced, in my estimation, for the loads of value you get in time saved and some of these amazing features that I'll show you here in just a second. So without further ado, let's log in to the platform. So I'm going to sign in here, and you're brought up automatically to the pages page. So this is a very clean and simple user interface, which I am a huge fan of. You can see I have already made a page here. Let me show you what this page did. This is the producer's sales page. However, this is not the producer's website. Topproductsforyou.com is a domain provided by Centralizze, and I have made this marketing page, cloned it within 3 minutes with all of my links and my information. So this link right here, if someone clicks on this link, it takes them to my affiliate link. If someone comes down here and clicks on this messenger app, I get to take care of their questions and make sure that they're well served. And wherever you're marketing this from Facebook for Google, your pixel will be there to do its thing for you. Okay, one more thing I want to share that's super cool. In Centralizze, you can come to this Domains tab. My domain isn't here yet, but it is coming. It just takes 24 to 48 hours to load up. Once your domain is here, when you're over here in these pages, instead of top product for you, it will say your domain. So when your customers are coming over here on this sales page, it will say your domain name right here. This is incredible. So if you're like me and you think that this platform is incredibly powerful and could be so helpful to you in your affiliate marketing business, please check out my link below. Get on there, start making your pages, get out there, sell, make some money. If you need help navigating the platform and knowing how to host your domain or how to create a page, please check out my tutorials and they'll help you out.